Look what we do when we have other truckers recognizing me on the highway. We just pull over. You spot me on the road out there, driver?
Oh yeah. What's happening, my guy?
That was a blessing to chat with him and shake his hand and get a picture, and now we hit the road again. That was awesome. And that's also why I like having a CB radio, because a lot of truck drivers every single day get on there and they're like, hey, is that the Yoder Toter? I'm like, yeah.